is your application video for lesson 1-6, which was over order of operations and evaluating expressions. In this lesson, you should be learning how to use the order of operations to help you in evaluating expressions. So we tried to make a somewhat fun applications sheet for this, and what this is a game called 24, and I chose not to go over the first problem with you because I felt like it was a little bit easier to understand than this. In this, what you've got is a card with 4 numbers, and it's your job to figure out how to use those 4 numbers to make the number 24. It says in the instructions that you can add, subtract, multiply, divide, or use exponents to help reach your goal of 24. You're only allowed to use each number once, and you have to use all 4 numbers. So basically it's going to be a trial and error, but you've got to use your order of operations to help get you there. So when I'm working through this, my first thought is, okay, 4 plus 4, that gives me 8. And if I multiply 8 times 3, that gets me 24. Notice I put the 4's in parentheses because I wanted to add that first and then multiply it, except the problem is I didn't use my 2, so that won't work. All right, so then my next thought is, what if I multiply 4 times 3, okay, and then multiply by 2. Well, 4 times 3 gets me 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Again, I only used one of the 4's, so that doesn't get me there. Okay, so let's try 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. There's nothing I can do with 6 and 7 that gets me there, so that's not going to work. Okay, got it, I think. 3 plus 2 gets me 5, right? 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. Let's just make sure, let's go through our order of operations and make sure that works. So remember, your order of operation is GEMS. Grouping symbols first, so 3 times 2 is 5. No exponents to deal with, so I go straight to my multiplication. Let's rewrite this. So I've got 5 times 4 plus 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. Yay! We win! All right, so it is a trial and error. There's not always just one answer. Good luck.